Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is automatically add comment on new post shared on Facebook page. Now suppose guys you own a Facebook page and you have a lots of number of like people or followers who are connected on that very same particular page, and many of them are sharing a post on a regular basis on that page. Now you want whenever a new member, a new user shares a new post on that Facebook page, you want to add a comment on that very same particular newly shared page. But on the daily basis, commenting on every new post shared on our Facebook page can be very much repetitive and time consuming. So in this video, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever a new post will be shared on our Facebook page by any member, automatically, instantly, we will send a comment on or we'll post a comment on that very same particular page from our account. Interesting, right? Now here you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name this workflow as auto comment on Facebook page post. So you can basically give any name of your choice. Let's click on create. After clicking on create, we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new posts which are shared on our Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we will using Pabbly Connect, we will post a comment on that very same newly shared post on our Facebook page. So here in trigger window in choose app, we have to search for Facebook pages. Facebook pages it is. And after that in trigger event, we will select new post. After selecting our trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make the connection, just click on connect with Facebook pages. And because guys, I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect detected the very same account and make the connection. After making the connection, here we can see the first thing it asks us is page. So in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in your Facebook account. So all these pages are already created in my Facebook account. Let me show you. So here in the drop down on Facebook account, you can see all the pages. So guys, out of all of these pages, on which page, the post from which page we want to get the details or the data from in Pabbly Connect. So I want to get the data of this page of mine named as home decor. So here in pages section, I'll just select this home, very similar page, home decor. Home decor it is. After selecting the page, it is asking us number of posts. And the help text below it says, enter the number of posts to be retrieved in every request. So guys, here the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is based on polling technique. So here every 10 minutes, as you can see here in the trigger window at top, it shows this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect goes to the Facebook page and checks for new data that whether a new data or a new post is shared or not on our Facebook page. So here it is asking us for every check, every time it goes and check it, how many number of posts we want to Pabbly Connect to retrieve from Facebook pages in Pabbly Connect. So just for an example, I'll enter 20 over here. And after that in page access token, it has automatically detected the page access token. So we don't have to make any changes over here. Just keep it as it is. And then as we click on save and send test request, Pabbly Connect will retrieve or get the details or the data of most recent posts shared on our Facebook page. So before clicking on save and send test requests, let's share a post, a dummy post on our Facebook page. So we will go to a Facebook page. This is our Facebook page. And here we'll just create a post. And just for an example, I'll write a post as, hello everyone. We are just testing this automation. So this is just a dummy post I'll creating. So I just written, hello everyone. We are just testing this automation. And then after that, I'll just click on post. And we can see that this new post is now shared on my Facebook page with all the community members. Now after that, we will get back to our Pabbly Connect workflow and we will hit on save and send test request button. After clicking on save and send test request button, we have received a response over here. And when we will scroll on this response, we will find that we have received the details or the data of the most recent post shared on our Facebook page. So we have a from name that who has shared this post, the name of the person who has posted. So I have shared this post from this very page's own account. So this is, as you can see over here. So here we have this very same name. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details regarding this very same post. So here we have the in message section, we have the complete post which we have shared. And when we will scroll down, we will find that this is a privacy value. This post is visible to everyone and other details. One thing which you will notice over here in this response that here in ID, we have received the ID of this very same recently shared post. Just keep a notice in it. We will just use this ID further in this video. And in the beginning of the response, we have the link of this very same post, like the link for liking this post, commenting and sharing. So let's copy this like link from here. Go to an incognito tab and paste it over here. And we can see that the very same post which we have shared over here, over on our Facebook page can be seen over here. So guys, which means the post which we have recently shared on our Facebook page, we have received the response of that very same post in Pabbly Connect. Now we want to add, whenever a user shares this post, not just us, any user will share a post on our Facebook page, we want to add a comment to that. So to add the comment, we will just scroll down, come to our action window. And here in choose app, once again search for Facebook pages. Just select Facebook pages. And after that in the drop down, Facebook comments. We have to select Facebook comments. Facebook comments it is to add the comment. And after that in drop down, it is asking us three options. We have three action events over here, which is comment on a page post, reply comment on a page post, and get comment of a page post. So we will select comment on a page post over here and click on connect. Select add new connection and click on connect with Facebook page comments. So now this time we will connect in our action window, we have selected Facebook page comments. So this time we will connect this very same Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect over here. Just click on our continue with Michael Karas means our Facebook account and that's it. We can see that our Facebook pages account is now once again connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection here as well in the page section, select that very same page which we have selected in our trigger response. That was home decor. And after that, similarly, the page access token will be automatically detected. We don't have to make any changes over here. Then it is asking us for the post. And here in the drop down below, we can see all the recently shared posts on our Facebook account. So guys, over here in the mapping button, we can see a mapping button in front of this post option. Just turn this on, just clear the default value. And guys, I told you we have received the ID of the recently shared post on our Facebook page and we have received the response of that Facebook post ID in our trigger window. So here in trigger window response, we have the response of the ID of this very same post. So we have to basically map this very same ID over here in this field. So the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field and from the drop down below, we can see all the responses which we have received from Facebook page of sharing a new post over here in Pabbly Connect. And out of all these responses, select the response of ID and share it. So we have successfully mapped the ID of the newly shared Facebook post over here in this action window of Facebook comments. Then after that, it is asking us for the comment. So here in comment section, what is the comment you actually want to post on or actually want to share on this very same post, recently shared post on a Facebook page. So just for an example, I want to add a comment that thanks for sharing. Thanks for, let me type. Thanks for sharing. Just a second. Okay, so this is the comment which I want to add or I want to post on every new post shared by anyone on my Facebook page. So this is the comment, thanks for sharing. So you can basically add any kind of comment, any text in the comment of your choice which you want to post on that recently shared post. So after entering all these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. So after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a very positive response to us. This response shows that this comment is now successfully posted or added on this very particular post whose ID we have mapped. Basically the very same post which we have shared just now in this video. So let's check that very same post. We will get back to our Facebook account to the Facebook page and we will refresh this Facebook page once. And yes guys, we can see that on this very same post which we have shared just now 5 minutes ago, automatically a comment is shared. Let's go to the comment section over here. Let me open it. And yes guys, we can see that we have successfully received a comment which says thanks for sharing. Which means guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time a user will share a post on my Facebook page, this Facebook page, automatically within 10 minutes, a comment will be shared on or posted on that very same post posted by a user. So that is thanks for sharing. You can basically comment anything of your choice by adding that very same comment over here in this comment field over here. So guys, let's understand in brief once that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation, because we have checked that this automation is working perfectly fine. So first we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect, and in this workflow we have selected Facebook pages in our trigger application and new post was our trigger event. Then we have connected our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect, and after that we shared a dummy post or test post on our Facebook page so that we can get the data of that recently shared post in Pabbly Connect. And after that, we have sent that very same data of that recently shared post in Pabbly Connect to Facebook comments in the actions tab, where we have selected comments on a page, comment on a page post as action event. And then we have added the comment which we wanted to post on a new post, and we have clicked on Save and Send Test Request. And the automation is complete. So now after setting up this automation, every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will go and check for a new post on our Facebook page, get the data of newly shared post in those 10 minutes and add this very same comment to those very same post. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.